So many developments happening right now with the Hedera Hashgraph network. We're going to talk about the Hedera network in this video and really dive into some of the specifics. Why is HBAR hotter than ever right now? Of course, price action will come, right, when the overall markets come back. But what are companies doing now? That is what we're going to dive into with HBAR right now. They are hitting milestone after milestone recently here in the last few months. They are ranked number 34, and I still think they are slept on by a lot of people in the crypto space. In this video, we are going to dive into some of the top news pieces and updates for you as it relates to Hedera. So, Hedera just recently became the top DLT, which we're going to talk about that, breaking records with 13 billion transactions. This is a huge milestone that was celebrated recently as 13 billion transactions have went through on the mainnet while maintaining an impressive throughput of over 1,400 transactions per second. So this is really always the big conundrum, right? It's, okay, you have speed, you can get things through, but you don't have a lot of transactions, or you have one or the other, right? But with HBAR here, they have both transaction speed and a ton of transactions going through. Hedera recently took to Twitter to celebrate its impressive achievement of surpassing this milestone, and there's the throughput of over 1,400 transactions per second. And if we scroll on down here, check this out. So there's been a couple other news pieces I want to make sure you're aware of. Now, according to other distributed ledger technologies, that's DLT, by the way, Hedera's performance remains unrivaled. Crypto analyst adds that the network has main focus on enterprise-based solutions. This sector right here, the enterprise-based solutions, are going to be massive, right? This is really bridging the gap from big companies coming over from Web 2. How can we get them into Web 3? Building blockchains for businesses. I know so many CEOs out there in crypto right now that are aiming to do something with enterprise-based applications. This is going to be a huge, huge sector. I think it's just getting started. Now, HBAR, very solidified. But the growing adoption and utilization of Hedera's consensus service has contributed to, get this, an extraordinary revenue growth quarter over quarter, 489% quarter over quarter gains. You can see here in the last day, we did dip down below the 5-cent mark again, and dipping here as we speak. You could see it in the 7-day, maybe providing a good opportunity here, as we were up over 5 cents not too long ago. And if you go out into the 1 month, we were up at about 5.5 cents is where we peaked out in the last month. And when we go out to the last year, we really had a nice run up here in February. Starting down here to start the year, we were right around 4 cents, just a little bit below it. We shot all the way up to over 9 cents back in February of this year. That's where we've been in 2023, as high as we've been. I still think there's tremendous upside here. And again, HBAR getting into the enterprise sector, their blockchain is proving to be robust and working extremely well. All-time high on HBAR, by the way, if you're thinking about it, is 57 cents. We're currently just under 5 cents right now, more than a 10x away from previous all-time highs. They're a top 35 crypto, and I think has tremendous upside in the future. We shall see. Appreciate you guys so much. Let me know what you think about all this down below. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.